Hi everyone, I'm Christy, your cybersecurity engineer, and we are back again this month with 4iMac to discuss part 2 of our previous topic, which was what data does Google keep on us and how we can manage that data, and if we want to delete them, how we can too. But at this part right here, we are going to discuss the specific data that Google has on us in order to have a clearer picture on how we can manage the data in the way that we want to. But bear with me because the list is quite long. But at first, if you have any suspicions or doubt if Google is keeping a tab on you or keeping track on you, then let us to make it perfectly clear, yes. The answer is probably yes, because everything that you are using that is related to a Google account, Google has access on it. And let's not start at the very basic information about you, because of course Google has information or data about you, such as your name, your birthday, nationality, and even the languages that you speak. But another interesting thing is if you're using, for example, let's say Google Play, and every app that you get on Google Play that is also connected to a Google account, and every app that you get from Google Play and you use or even open if you are using an Android phone, then Google has a track on you. Another thing that is interesting is through Google Pay. So if you're using Google Pay, it has every bank information about you, your cards, and even your shopping preferences. Either you buy the item or not, even if you just put the item on the shopping cart and you do not proceed on buying it at the end, then Google has that information about you. So basically your shopping preference. Another interesting thing is through Google Maps. Every location that you have searched for and every route that you have gone through Google Map by using Google Map. Another interesting thing, and of course this is actually a no-brainer, it's every email that you get on your Gmail. But the thing is, Google has a track on you even on spam or even deleted emails that you get in your way. Another thing that Google keeps track on you is, of course, every file that you put on Google Drive. Even though you put it there and you safely store it in the Google Drive, Google has access to see what you are putting inside it. So basically every file, every image, everything that you store on your Google Drive, as long as it's connected with your Google account. Anything else that is related to Google Assistant, still Google keeps tracks on you, every question that you ask your Google Assistant. Also every news that you read on your Google News, and of course, every ad that you click that is shown to you on your Google search. Google keeps track of everything that you are doing and everything that you are clicking or just viewing. Here is also the example of YouTube. If you are seeing a YouTube video, if you are liking a YouTube video, and even if you remove the search history or just clear the search history, still Google keeps a track on everything that you are seeing or viewing or liking online. But after the very long list, here's the good news. You can download everything, every data that Google is keeping a track on you, so you have a clear picture. And that is through the use of Google Takeout. So the first step is to log in into your Google account, and then the next step is to go to the Google Takeout section. There you can choose or select every data on every app that is collected about you. And even you can use or select the file formats that are offered by each app and the way how you wanted to download it. So if you want to select everything, that is the default version. But if you want to customize the list and the data that you want to download, then you can just start by deselecting everything and then selecting everything that you want to download and export it. The next step after you finish customizing the list is to go into the next window of the Google Takeout, which is the form of delivery. And you can choose it through a link or through Google Drive or even in email into your inbox, into your Gmail. The other format or the other option, let's say, is the frequency of it. If you want to download this process to be done every 1 month, every 1 week, or 2 months, etc., you decide and you customize it. And of course, the last part is the file size. If you are choosing a file size that is way too big, then Google will split it into smaller pieces, of course, and send it to you into your email if you are choosing that delivery method, let's say. And after you're finishing on customizing the list and everything that you want to export, then you can just click on the export button, and then the the progress will begin. And then at the end of the process, you will get a delivery email that will say that the delivery, or let's say the export, is done, is finished. And then you can just check your inbox, and there you will find your email from Google that has every information that you have selected and you want to see about you. So it's quite simple actually, and even in some scenarios it's even frightening to know what information Google is keeping about us. But at the other part, it's a good thing that we have a clear picture on what data is being used and how it's being used. So that's it for today, and if you have any other requests that you would like for us to talk about in our next video, please feel free to write to us, to reach out, and we'll be happy to comply. See you next month. Bye!